NASA announced in 2024 the oceans rose to an unexpected level. Satellites started measuring sea levels back in 1993, and since then, the rate of yearly sea level rise has more than doubled. Meteorologist Aaron Ashley spoke with NASA's ocean scientists to find out why last year was so unusual.
Unexpected. That is how NASA is describing the sea level rise measured in 2024. It's something that's been measured for over 30 years now, and with 2024 being the warmest year on record, well, the change in sea level has also been one for the books.
So in the beginning of the 90s, we had a sea level rise of about 2 millimeters per year. Last year, we were closer to 6 millimeters a year.
That's Séverine Fournier. She's an ocean scientist and sea level expert at NASA's Jet Propulsion Lab. She says instruments in the oceans and in space are key to finding what is causing the sea level to rise.
There are literally robots in the ocean with thermometers on them, so they can measure the component of sea level rise that is due to the thermal expansion.
Thermal expansion of water at a global level happens when ocean temperatures are relatively warm. This causes the sea level to rise. But another major piece in the sea level rise is the melting of glaciers and ice sheets. Normally,
about 1/3 of sea level rise is due to the thermal expansion, and 2/3 because of the melting ice sheets and glaciers.
But in 2024, sea level rise from the relatively warm oceans was greater than the sea level rise from the melting sea ice. Fournier says this is because of thermal expansion in the Earth's largest ocean.
About half of last year was still under an El Niño state, so we had warmer temperature in the Pacific Ocean.
As the average sea level climbs, coastal communities are left facing high tides more frequently, and experts say beach erosion and flooding are both concerns moving forward. I'm Aaron Ashley, and that's why this is part of Project Planet.